Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply US visa from UK or how to book an appointment from US visa from UK. So here's a simple guide on how to apply for US visa from the UK and book the appointment. Now to get started, visit the official visa application website and fill out the DS-160 form from the website application, then print the confirmation page as you will need it for your visa appointment. Then after that, pay the MRV fee and schedule an appointment. Then go to the visa appointment service website, which is in the video. Just go to the website, and after that, pay the mentioned readable visa MRV fee and schedule your visa interview. Then after that, prepare your required documents. Gather all your necessary documents, including your passport, the DS-160 confirmation page, appointment confirmation, and any additional documents required for your specific visa type. Then attend the visa interview. Once on the day of your appointment, bring all your documents to the US embassy and consulate. Then attend the visa interview and answer questions about your travel plan and the background for that. Then also wait for your processing. After the interview, your application will be processed. Then you will be notified of your decisions via your email or your phone number, and that's it. And here's a quick review about applying for US visa from UK. It involves completing the DS-160 form, paying for the MRV fee, and scheduling an appointment and attending the visa interview. The processing is straightforward, but it's important to prepare all required documents and arrive on time for your appointment, and that's it. That's a simple way or simple guide or a straightforward guide to apply for US visa from UK, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.